On the ranking series event in Turkey to kick off this calendar year. A lot of momentum coming into the Asian Championships, and we are underway. Bronze medal match number 2 at 57 kilos. Gulomjom Abdullayeva of Uzbekistan, Алмаз Smambekov of Kyrgyzstan. An early offense right out of the gate here. Coming in on that shot, gets in on that single. Tripod position underneath. He's going to have to break him down to get the 2. Referee signals 2. Judge confirms it. Immediately working hard on the arm. The ref will keep a close eye, making sure that angle doesn't get too dangerous. Now a roll through from underneath. Gets 2 more. So a quick start here by Abdullayev. Up to a 4-0 advantage. Still has that leg applied as the 2 go out of bounds. Abdullayev won the Asian qualifier last year to punch his ticket into the Tokyo Olympic Games. He really had a tremendous year a season ago. He won both of his other 2021 tournaments, winning the Ukrainian International and also taking the Poland Open. Good start here for Abdullayev, a 4-0 lead. Just over a minute into period number 1. Shot from underneath, and the first points of the night for Smambekov. Алмаз Smambekov, junior Asian bronze medalist back in 2018. His last appearance in a senior Asian championship was all the way back in 2018, so it's been a while for him. 4-year hiatus from the senior continental championships, and he gets back in there tonight and a chance to win a bronze medal for Kyrgyzstan. Referee has not warned either wrestler so far to start this. Both guys have been on the offense. Well, more than a minute to go in this opening period, a 4-2 lead for Abdullayev of Uzbekistan. Abdullayev drops it on the right leg. Shin whizzer reply defensively. Like he nearly cleared the leg out. Now he does get it out. Abdullayev, though, stays latched down low. This is close to a step out on the edge, and out of bounds they go. The referee did not signal any points. The judge thought too. The match chairman white paddles it, so nothing changes in the score. Remains 4-2 with 32 seconds to go, and now a challenge will come from Kyrgyzstan. So our independent review panel will go to work. They're located directly below where I'm situated. If you're not familiar with international wrestling, it really is a team crew when it comes to officiating. A number of different looks to make sure they get the calls right. Referee in charge of mat control, then you have the judge and the mat chairman sitting on opposite sides of the main arena mat. And if it goes to a replay, then they bring in another set of officials to take an independent look at it and make the final decision. And that's what they're taking a look at right now. If indeed Smambekov was able to secure the takedown. So the challenge will be won. They are going to give Smambekov 2. And we are tied at 4. So another terrific start here. We had a nail biter in the first bronze medal match tonight. And here we go again. Quick 4 out of the gate by Abdullayev, only to see Smambekov come back with 4 of his own. It's been a really good week for Kyrgyzstan wrestling. They had success in Greco-Roman. They continued it with the women's side, which wrapped up last night. All 3 styles very strong. like they normally are. A little bit of a different look this year at the Asians, although it feels more normal. Remember last year, Japan had to back out at the last second because of contact tracing with COVID. This year, due to travel issues, there is no China, and also the Democratic People's Republic of Korea unable to make the trip here to Ulaanbaatar. So a couple of big nations not in attendance. But as I mentioned, the return to more normalcy this year following the pandemic, a good feeling, good vibe in the air all week long with the competition, with the fan base, and all the organizational committees, which it takes to pull an event like this off. Second period underway, tied at 4. Gulomjom Abdullayef started this match really quickly. He was the one who came out, established some shots. Here he's working on the 2-on-1. See what he can do with the right arm of Smanbekov. Tried to reach for the high C, a little bit too far out of range to connect on that. Smanbekov now backpedaling. Here comes Abdullayev in on a low shot. Draping over the top of his body, applying a lot of pressure underneath the Smanbekov. Abdullayev was able to get to his feet, but that put him in a bad position, in a prone position, I should say, for the step out, and the point is awarded. Kyrgyzstan has the lead for the first time. Arm throw attempt coming up just shy. Coaches all quartered in tight confines here on this center mat. Mat B, all three mats were busy earlier today. Tonight, just the one spotlight. Again, trying to hit the arm spin was Smanbekov. It's twice now he's whipped. Staying on the offense, though. Just a 1-point lead. Abdullayev has not scored since the opening minute of this bout. His offense is disappeared, and now near the edge, and nifty little footwork maneuver by Abdullayev, and they're going to go one on the step out. Both wrestlers were tiptoeing the line, and it's going to get white paddled, so no point given. I think that's the right call. Abdullayev has been here before. He just had a tough time finishing. Low shot. He'll try to work his way up on that leg, and now he rolled him over to his back, and they expose for 2. 2-2 is how they go on that. So an 8-6 lead still for Smanbekov. Challenge is going to come from Uzbekistan. I never saw the 2 for Smanbekov, and that's what Abdullayev in his corner want the referee to take a look at. And it might be 4, actually, for Abdullayev as they take second and third looks at it. Just watching it real time. Feet to back is 4, and the question becomes, right there, take a look at it. Here's the decision.
Welcome to netting position, 2 points for blue. And then red block in netting position, 2 red. 2 blue, 2 red. Challenge lost.
So 2-2, call stands. They lose the challenge, which will cost them a point as well, and now a 3-point deficit. Smanbekov up 3. Abdullayev now really pushing the pace. Look at this, just driving the Turkey wrestler near the edge. Step out point won't do much here, though. He needs more than that. Ferociously working toward the side, and they will give him one here. Again, going to need more than that. 9-7, 10 seconds to go. We saw some late dramatics earlier. Takedown here. Looking for it. Tries to roll through. That'll be 4 blue, and that is going to seal it. Smanbekov stays red hot. He wins 13-7, your final here in the bronze medal match. Show no rust. Talked about it earlier in the broadcast. His last appearance in the Asian Championships 4 years ago, 2018. But tonight, in a triumphant return, he puts up 13 in the victory, and Алмаз Сманбеков of Kyrgyzstan is your bronze